today it's a Monday and already I have a signal send it out, guys. But I want to share with you something that happened really important. Just imagine, guys, it's only a Monday and already there's something hectic that is happening, guys. So what is happening is today I woke up feeling a little bit better. I think I woke up around 5 a.m. Yeah, I woke up around 5 a.m. That's when I did my analysis. But before that, on Sunday, I did send out some analysis which I was predicting the market for today, which is a Monday. Unfortunately, guys, the JPY, which I lost. I'll just show you the screenshot right here. This is a screenshot of that JPY, guys. So instead of taking that JPY, I went on and I waited until around 5 a.m. That's when I took a trade. I took AUD CAD. So what is happening is I decided to go and fund 1k, guys. I decided to go and fund 1k, but then with this 1k, it is not an account challenge whereby I'll be updating you now and then about this account. Now there will be a time for that. So this thing is just for me to actually show you exactly when I enter and then exactly when I exit. It doesn't mean that I will show you the entire process of this account, but if it has to be, then I will just show you. But for now, guys, let's just stick on what I'm telling you. So I took AUDCAD in the morning, and then each and everything was sent out pretty much well. This is the signal. Well, remember in my last series, I took a loss on AUDCAD. Then I went back again. When I saw it today, I felt like, you know what, this was just more like a rejection. Now it is ready to go down. So what is happening is, in the morning around 5 o'clock, I took my first entry. I think I did 3 entries. Now, I took a loss, guys. Just imagine, I took a loss, but on my trading view, the stop loss has not yet been hit. So what is happening is, on my broker, the broker that I was using there, the points, they're actually a little bit closer to the entry point compared to in the in trading view. So that was the main lesson that I learned today. Uguchi, whenever I send out a signal in my group, I should not exactly follow I should adjust my stop loss in terms of how the broker points are, because sometimes your trading view can show these points, whereas your broker shows these points. So you need to be careful when you place a stop loss. Place a stop loss that you really trust. Yeah, well, so I took a loss, and then I was not aware that I took a loss, because in my mind I'm like, okay, let me just hold this trade. But now around 8 a.m. that's when I noticed let me just go and check my trade. How does the trade perform? When I look at my trade, I don't see anything. Then this is what I see. I'm in a balance of 900 and something. So I was like, hey, but what is happening now? Where is my money? When I go and check the history, I took 3 stop loss hits, guys. So I did open 0.01 3 times. So fortunately, I did go low risk, which means I didn't lose a lot. I lost 82 rand. But now, since I took that loss, I went back again, then I entered again. So as I entered again, this time around, I entered a little bit higher compared to the previous time. So right now, I adjusted my stop loss in terms of how the broker offer a stop loss, not exactly how I send out the stop loss in the group. So if your stop loss is actually a little bit closer to your entry point according to your broker point, that can be an issue, because your stop loss can get hit. The market is the same. The point is just that the other one has a little bit of a difference, so you need to be careful around there. So now that this trade is running in this way, here's a screenshot of what is happening. I want to show you the screenshot, guys. Yeah, this is a screenshot, as well as you could see. Yeah, man, so what is happening is I'm gonna let this trade run. So according to how I sent it, I was like, this is a re-entry on AUDCAD. Since on Friday I lost, so I decided to enter again today. Now I'm gonna see where does this trade gonna go. Yeah, are we going to win or are we going to lose? Either way. But then I lost JPY, and then I was looking on gold too, but gold I ended up, brushing it aside because I didn't like the way it was presenting the sell. But then on JPY, I was actually excited. Unfortunately, it didn't react that London session. It reacted around 3 a.m. I need to start checking this 3 a.m. session, guys. So what is happening is there's different sessions in the market. So there's agent session, which is around 3 a.m. Sometimes JPY, it react at 3 a.m. and that thing can be an issue for me, because I don't normally trade at 3 a.m. Just imagine, guys, waking up at 3 a.m. just to trade. So that thing, it always misses me. But then I'll find a way to, to be able to capitalize on that. Other than that, guys, I'm still in the trade. I'm on AUDCAD. Now I just woke up. I wanna do my daily routine whereby I'm going to bath, I'm going to do everything, I'm going to freshen up. Actually, I'm gonna eat and all that, but then I'm not gonna show that on my video, guys. So I'll just come back and update you about the trade. And then if ever I found, if ever it happens that I go out, then I might actually record, because I've been on a call with one of my friends, so we are planning to go out. So I might record that, as well as I'm currently waiting for AUDCAD to be hit. Currently our balance is down to 900, but with the trade currently I might make more than what I thought I could make. So I might make around 300 rand. Just imagine, guys. So the most important thing that I'm gonna do is to always stick on a relevant lot size, and I will never change my plan. Whenever I have a setup, I'm executing. Whenever I don't have a setup, I relax, guys. That's how it is, guys. So for now, let's just see Uguti, where does AUDCAD take. Hey guys, yo, out of everything that you can think of in the forex market, to wait for a trade to actually hit take profit, that's the most difficult thing, man. Especially putting it in mind that it can hit a stop loss hit, or it can do like a take profit hit. So it can go either way. So waiting for a trade to hit take profit or a stop loss is actually way more difficult compared to you finding a direction. So currently I'm just waiting. I don't know what will happen on AUDCAD, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. And then if I get a loss, it's fine. I'll just have to move on, guys, because wow. And then already by that thing that I've explained, where the broker was showing me different points, I already lost something. Now to lose again, it will put me into negatives, because I did open 3 orders again, the same thing that I did previously. But then we're gonna see what will happen. Whatever happens. We are soldiers, guys. We are soldiers. So I don't know, guys. From here I might just go take a bath, and then after taking a bath, I might go somewhere. I will see whether I'll be recording that part where I'm completely out, because I'll be out with my friends. So it's gonna be dope, and we're gonna see about it. Currently I'm just waiting for AUDCAD, and this trade might take 3 days. Imagine, guys, the way I've analyzed the daily time frame, it can actually take more than 3 days, because when I saw the daily time frame on AUDCAD, it has been a while since a single daily candlestick has hit take profit. So it's today, the next day, up until it hit take profit. And then even a stop loss can be hit in this case, because we never know. But yeah, guys, so now let me just go and bath, and then we'll see you after taking a bath. It is your boy KB, and see you in a minute, guys. So this is just still a Monday, guys. I'll record tomorrow up until Saturday, guys. Yeah. XFA2, today is a Tuesday, and already there's a lot that has been happening on Tuesday, guys. I wanna update you about what happened, especially in the morning, guys. It's a huge thing, guys. So what is happening is, today I woke up at around 7 o'clock. So I'm not proud of myself, guys, because I wanna wake up around 5, 6, because I wanna check the market before 6. I wanna check the market before. So today I woke up around 7 o'clock, and then when I got to the trades, I saw GBP-JPY. GBP-JPY has flown away, guys. GBP-JPY is out of here. So GBP-JPY, I predicted a sell on Sunday, but then this is currently what is happening with GBP-JPY. So it is a missed opportunity. It's fine. We move on. Nothing that we could do about it. Now, guys, when I switched on the trades, I went on to GBP NZD. GBP NZD, I saw a buy. I was like, okay, this thing can buy. Then I analyzed it, and then I saw a buy. It was a clean buy, to be quite actually honest. But then when I move on to the lower time frame, I went on to the hour time frame, to the 1 hour time frame. Then I was like, you know what, let me just wait for 20 minutes to London session, so that I can see what can actually happen. So when I got to that to the lower time frame, I was like, okay, fine, let me just wait. But then at around 20 minutes to London session, I took 3 orders. But then by then I didn't send the signal in the group. So when I didn't send the signal in the group, I was like, okay, fine, let me just wait a little bit before I can send the signal to the group because it is not yet confirmed. After some time, that trade was reversing, was actually going to the negatives. So when it go to the negatives, then I was like, you know what, let me close my orders here because I don't want to hit stop loss as early as Tuesday. Just imagine, guys. So I was like, you know what, let me close this trade and then I'll wait for an engulfing candlestick. If an engulfing candlestick happens, that's when I'll be taking my trade. Unfortunately, I didn't get that engulfing candlestick. Then I was like, you know what, let me just get out of this trade and I'll see it next time. Now I switched on to AUDCAD. Remember AUDCAD, yesterday I was looking for a sell. Today I went on and I saw a buy. I was like, okay, fine, this thing can actually buy. Let me just do what? Let me go on a buy. So I analyzed it, I reanalyzed it, then I saw a buy and I was like, you know what, let me just enter this buy. I did a mistake, however. I sent out a trade in the group, which was a good one, and then I took 4 orders. When I took these 4 orders, each was 0.01. Now I closed these orders by mistake, guys. I was like, close all orders, and it was a mistake. I think I did a wrong typing there. So I wanted to actually edit my stop loss, and then I closed all orders by mistake. Then I lost, guys. So overall, I lost about 122 for today, which is Tuesday, guys. I lost about 122 for today, but then I went on again and I did some re-entries on AUDCAD. I think I did about 7 entries this time around. So currently I'm waiting, guys. I will see how will AUDCAD react, guys. For now, we have to hold. You know, when you have to hold your trade, it's actually difficult, but this is what you have to do, guys. We have to actually hold to see how will this trade react. So for now, guys, I will update you after maybe 2 to 3 hours of me entering this trade. So currently I'm in 7 trades in, and I will see what will happen, guys. Let me just close the video here and I'll update you after 3 hours, guys. For now, I'm just gonna take a bath. I'm just gonna eat and do my daily routines. See you after 3 to 4 hours, guys. Yes, sir. Except Bafethu, I want to update you about my account, Bafethu. So what is happening is there's a lot that has been happening in my account. I want to show you the result, guys. So hey, it's not going good, guys. Currently, this is what we had for today, guys. Just imagine, I had to close negative 162, guys. 162. The reason why I closed this trade was the fact that AUDCAD was actually rejecting a bid, so I didn't want to lose too much. And overall, guys, we made a total loss of 443 in this 1,000 rand account, guys. Just imagine, guys. So it's fine, guys. Currently I'm floating in this March. Currently I'm floating in 200 and something. It's not going good, guys, but then let's see. I will update you if I hit take profit, and then my stop loss is in break even. So currently this is a risk-free trade. I'm actually waiting to see where I'll be hitting stop loss or I'll be hitting take profit. So I think if I can hold this thing, I'll actually make my losses back, because each and every trade that is here, I'm gonna make 200 and something, which will allow me to be in profit. Currently I'm in an 800 and something of equity. So you're gonna see, guys, it's not too much loss, you know, it's not that much of a loss. But I was floating 200 on this trades. I was floating 200 rand, and I ended up closing it in a loss. It's fine, guys. So sometimes you gotta make some crucial decisions. Yes, sir.
This is your boy KB, and currently I'm in a huge loss, guys, after taking USDJPY at night, guys. So there's a lot to explain about these trades. So guys, this account is not going well, guys. So yesterday, let me just say, the whole of last week, guys, we lost a lot. The whole of last week we lost a lot. We lost 292 the whole of last week in different trades, guys. Just imagine, guys. And sometimes, when you think you got good trades, they ended up hitting a stop loss in break even, like this trade here. I was supposed to make around 500 rand, but eventually my stop loss was in break even. That's when I got stop loss hit, and then I made this small profit. And then I was running into like 300 rand with AUD CAD. I was running into like 200 rand, and then I ended up losing this trade. In terms of, I closed the trade simply because I knew with now it's chai, because the stop loss is about to be hit. That's when I decided to cut my loss short. Now the results are moving in this way, guys. I'm actually in these positions right here. So today it's NFP. I don't know whether USDJPY can hold up until NFP, but I'm in this loss. Can we get out of this loss? I'm not sure, guys, but then I'll come and check back in.
Bafethu, welcome back to another one. Bafethu, today it's a Friday, guys. Yeah, if you have watched the video up until here, you already know what happened, guys. I lost my account. as crazy as this thing might sound, I lost my account, guys. I lost 1k. To lose 1k, it's painful, man, like, because you could have bought yourself some things there by the mall, or like losing an account just like that, after having a proper plan. It's painful, guys. But as well as you saw, the last minute trades, the one that killed my account, which were like during the NFP. So I think the thing that killed my account at that particular point was the fact that I traded NFP, and then I was wrong on USDJPY, and then I was correct on USD. So that thing created a mixture of, I even tried to close all positions, but they refused. But anyways, I don't want excuses regarding how I lost the account. I don't want excuses. What I need to do now, because I don't want this thing to happen ever again. What I need to do now, I need to set some rules. I need to set some rules. Nah, those rules, when I go against the rules, I should punish myself. So it's something that I really love. So, or something that I don't like. Let me just say, I will punish myself. I will do 20 push-ups, sometimes 30. Yeah, because I don't like push-ups. I hate like push-ups, because I feel like that's the punishment for real, man. So each and every time I break my training plan, or I go above my rules, I need to do some push-ups, and then we're gonna increase the punishment if I keep on disrespecting my setup or my rules in terms of how I enter. So anyways, guys, let me just stop complaining about what happened yesterday, or what happened Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I did a deposit again, guys. I deposited 1,000 again, 1k again, guys. We never give up. We are ready to do this. It's not like I didn't have a plan, I knew it would, if I lose this 1k, I have another 1k to fund. So immediately I funded today. well, it's going to be seem like I wanna revenge or I wanna recover that money in a way of like, in a way of like I just wanna recover instantly. Nah, it's not like that, man. When I deposited this account, I was actually in my clear mind. I knew like, okay, fine, I have to deposit again in order to continue for next week. Otherwise, yeah, man, I'm 1K deposit, and then immediately I saw a trade opportunity. So the trade that I was looking at was GBP USD, which I've been looking at GBP USD ever since NFP reacted on GBP USD. So I was expecting a sell. So today around 10 o'clock, I entered my first positions. So I was a little bit aggressive in how I entered because the lot sizes, they were more, but then it's not like they were not like too much, but they were just a little bit more compared to what I usually do. So I did this entry, and currently I am up at this profit, guys. So currently I'm running in this profit. So I don't know, man, this time around, man, I don't have hopes, I don't have anything. Like, I'm just gonna trade genuinely. So, and then if I make a good amount, I'm not gonna, like, the thing that was killing me at some point, it was the fact that I was always holding until take profit, and some trades wouldn't reach take profit. So this time around, if I hit a good amount of profit, I'm just gonna close, I'm just gonna call it a day, and I'm gonna continue on Monday, guys. So the main purpose is to continue on Monday trading again, guys. So if you wanna know exactly when I send the signals, you can just join my group in the Telegram, because I usually post good signals. I don't know, my signals are dope, they are good. The problem was just me, especially this week. The problem was me. Overall, I would say my signals are good. It's only about how you manage your trade. So in terms of managing a trade, I was a little bit, I was lacking in that point, in that area, because I made good amount, but I didn't close those amounts. So either way, guys, let's just see what will happen on this one. I'll update you if something happened today. Otherwise, I might close it here. But let's just see with what will happen on GBUSD. Should I hold this trade up until Monday or what? Will this trade hit a profit today? I'm not sure. We're gonna see, guys. Today is a Saturday, and I'll be wrapping the video here, guys, and then I'll edit it and I'll send it immediately, guys. So what is happening is, if I just go on a recap of what has happened, I traded from Monday up until Friday, guys, and I think it took me 4 days to blow my 1,000 Rand account, guys. Yeah, guys, I blew my 1,000 Rand account, but yeah, I came back again. I did a refund, so we are back again at 1K, guys. So currently I'm in a trade, GBP USD as a trade. If you've seen the journey, you know what happened there. I don't want to explain much about what happened. What I can say is, for me to change, or for me to actually imply more rules, I want to trade one trade at a time. I don't want to overload trade. If I'm trading GBP USD, I'm focusing on GBP USD alone. If I'm trading NZD USD, I'm focusing on NZD USD alone. I don't want to trade like multiple trade, because it's difficult actually to manage trade after trade to trade, like managing a certain trade whereas you are busy with another trade again. So I can send the prediction in the group, but now in terms of how I analyze, in terms of how I enter the trade, I will only take one trade at a time. If I want more money, I have to increase the lot size in that particular trade. So for me to actually have a good trading journey, as from now on, I need to imply rules. I need to set rules whereby I will punish myself. If I break any rule, I'm going to punish myself, guys. So if I break any rule, I'll punish myself. So the first rule that I've implied is that, since I hate push-ups, if I break any rule in my trading plan, I'll have to do 20 push-ups. For each and every time I break my trading plan, I'll be doing 20 push-ups. So I hate push-ups, guys, in all my heart. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then if I keep on breaking my trading plan, I'm gonna escalate my trading plan. I'm gonna escalate my punishment into, like, something that is huge, or something that I like, and something that I would not wanna miss. Then I would make it like something. I would make it like a punishment in a way. So either something that I hate or something that I like. Yeah, between the two, guys. Other than that, I think everything's just gonna be fine. So I did the refund. You might say whatever, But to be quite honest, guys, I'm subjected to be corrected. So if you have something that you want to share with me, you can actually hit me, guys. Hit me, guys, in the commentary section. You can hit me. I mean, we are all traders. We are not against each other. We are just against the market. So the main thing here is to us to trade. You know, we want to make money in the forex market. You don't want to hate each other. So if you have something that you want to share with me, we can share that particular thing. And then if you want to ask something, I can actually help you guys. I can actually answer some of your questions, because this is not a platform whereby, you know, we are against each other. Now we are here to help each other to make money. So the main goal as traders is to make money. So I'm not saying that I'm the best. I'm not saying that I'm the worst. What I'm trying to say is that, you know, I might be an average trader. You might be better than me in terms of how you make decisions and how you trade. So in a way, guys, that thing might help me. We need to grow as people, and for us to grow, it is if we link up and we share some ideas. In a way, we can actually improve. For now, guys, let me wrap the video here. I will continue next week. What I did, GBPUSD, I took a sell on GBPUSD. Currently, I'm in a sell. Now, I decided to let it run until next week. So I did a rollover, guys. A rollover is whereby you allow your trade. You enter your trade Friday, but then your take profit might hit on Monday or like anytime next week. So I'm gonna see whether next week we're gonna hit take profit or what. But I'm focusing on one trade. This is the only trade that I'm focusing at. But I'm gonna share ideas in my group where I predict equity. I see this setup as going down or as going up. I'm not gonna predict those kind of things. But overall, guys, I'm still on GBPUSD. As long as GBPUSD is still running, I'm not gonna enter any other trade, but I'm gonna predict only. I'm gonna send only analysis. Yeah, guys, let me just wrap this video here. Make sure you catch the new series for next week, guys. Each and every Sunday, I'll be posting this kind of videos whereby it is me actually trading, guys. So see you next week, guys. For now, it is your boy KB, and I'm signing out. Uncle.